Hey guys, Daniel Mar Reviews here, and first I just want to wish Alex, my friend Alex, aka Genesee Trains and Elevators, a happy 20th birthday. So Alex, if you're watching this, happy 20th birthday. And obviously I know it's difficult to celebrate this year because of the pandemic, but hopefully soon, we'll get through this. It does seem like we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, which is good. So again, Alex, happy 20th birthday. So today, we're gonna be unboxing this Diecast Honda Civic Type R. A huge thanks to my dad and his girlfriend for giving me this, because I really like the Civic Type R. It's a really neat looking car. So I'm glad that I have a bigger Diecast version of it. As you can see, I have other Civics right here. Here's a Civic Type R right here. But this one right here, because it's bigger, it's a lot bigger, it's a lot more detailed, so I'm really excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it right now. So as you can see, the trunk opens and the hood opens. All right, I found a screwdriver right here. So let's see if, I think this is the right one. Yep. Oops. All right, we're almost done unscrewing this. Last screw. And here we go. So this right here is the Honda Civic Type R. I'm not sure exactly which year it's from. Oh, it has a battery in it as well, it looks like. Oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, that's why. Wow. There's the trunk. Right there. I think this is the first hatchback diecast car that I ever had. So here's a look at the car, as you can see. There's the inside right there. The hatchback at the back. And the hood is right here. So again, a huge thanks to my dad and his girlfriend for giving me this. So here it goes with my diecast car collection. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. See you guys.